Benvenuti, welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I am with a new lesson. Practice your Italian. Lesson number 6. This is a conversation between a customer and the waiter. Let's begin. Waiter, buongiorno. Benvenuto al nostro ristorante. Posso portarle qualcosa da bere per iniziare? Good morning, benvenuto. Welcome to our restaurant. Posso portarle? Can I bring you qualcosa, something da bere per iniziare? Can I bring you something to drink to start? Qualcosa, something da bere, to drink. Per iniziare, to start. Al nostro, to our. If you want to practice it 1 or 2 times, then pause the video and practice it. Buongiorno, benvenuto al nostro ristorante. Posso portarle qualcosa da bere per iniziare? Let's move on to our next dialogue. Customer. Buongiorno, vorrei un caffè, per favore. Buongiorno, good morning. I would like un caffè, a coffee, per favore. Please, there are lots of words in these sentences to remember, like buongiorno, like vorrei, un caffè, per favore. These are the simple words you can remember. Vorrei un caffè per favore. Good morning, I would like a coffee, please. Waiter, certamente. Vuole un caffè normale o un caffè macchiato? Certainly, would you like a regular coffee or a coffee with a splash of milk? Macchiato with a splash of milk. Certamente, certainly, vuole un caffè? You like a regular coffee? Normale? Regular. O un caffè or a coffee with a splash of milk. Please remember the pronunciation. Certamente, un caffè, macchiato, caffè normale. Now, customer is replying, un caffè normale, per favore. Un caffè normale. A regular coffee, please. Un caffè. A coffee normale, regular. Per favore, please. Un caffè normale, per favore. Please practice these sentences with me. If you want to practice it 1 more time, then pause the video and practice it. Let's move on to our next dialogue. Waiter, va bene, arriva subito. Hai già deciso cosa vorrebbe mangiare? Deciso. Alright, it will be right out. Have you already decided what you would like to eat? Vorrebbe mangiare. Next one is customer. Sì, vorrei il piatto del giorno, per favore. Yes, I would like the daily special, please. Sì, vorrei il piatto del giorno, per favore. Please. Vorrei, I would like the daily special. Let's move on to our next dialogue. Customer. Perfetto. Prendo quello. Perfect, I will have that. Perfetto. Prendo quello. I will have that. Perfetto, perfect. Prendo quello. I will have that. Grazie. Customer is replying grazie. Thank you. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I will post a video every day. Next one is, waiter is saying, ecco il conto, grazie per aver cenato da noi. Arrivederci. Here is the bill. Thank you for dining with us. Goodbye. Arrivederci. Goodbye. Ecco il conto. Here is the bill. Per aver cenato da noi. For dining with us. Customer, grazie. A voi. Arrivederci. Thank you. Goodbye.